Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray on Sunday expressed confidence that the vaccination drive would be expedited after the state start getting adequate supply of doses from June. There were lingering disbeliefs and considering disappointment at the country's sports fraternity came to terms with Sushil Kumar's monumental fall for being one of India's greatest Olympian to an arrested in a murder case. The United Arab Emirates stands ready to facilitate peace efforts between Israel and the Palestinians, the UAE state news agency reported on Sunday. At a high-level meeting on Sunday, a majority of the state favored holding the Class 12th board exams and said they would study the two proposals mooted by the CBSE. Indian naval ship INS Srikanth reaches Mumbai on Sunday with 40 metric tons of liquid medical oxygen from Qatar as part of the ongoing Operation Samudra Setu 2 to support India's fight against the coronavirus pandemic, an official said. Punjab Chief Minister Amrinder Singh on Sunday urged the BKU not to hold their planned sit-in over his government's failure to tackle coronavirus, saying their 3-day protest may turn into a super spreader. 12 major opposition parties have extended their support to the call given by the Samyukta Kisan Morcha to observe countrywide protest on May 26, marking 6 months of the farmers' protest to Delhi borders against the centre's farm laws. Amidst the ongoing major operations in wake of COVID-19 and Cyclone Taukte, the armed forces have now also deployed warships, aircraft, helicopters, flood relief team and engineer task force for any contingency on the eastern seaboard due to the approaching cyclone Yas. Tropical storm Anna was moving away from Bermuda early Sunday after bringing rain and wind to the island in the Atlantic Ocean, forecasters said. Preparing to be back soon on air in the show Shadi Mubarak, which was discontinued for some time after lead actor Manav Gohil tested COVID positive and restrictions on shooting in Maharashtra.